I want to show you before I hit the success or submit. You're gonna select the time, and then you're gonna hit submit of the email blast to your subscribers, and then it's gonna say success. And then you can also check your contacts. Once again, you have a contact manager. Okay, they have tons of things that you can do, and lots of video training. Right over here with the blue arrows, it will show your video pop up, and soon these gonna be activated. Okay, like you want to earn $100 one time, $400 one time, become a diamond and platinum member. Okay, and with our funnel, we want to show you how you can make these red turn green. Okay, in a future video, I'm gonna show you how to make these red turn green and earn $100 one-time payments and $400 one-time payments, and these become unlimited payments going directly to your account. Paydays is every Wednesday of every single week. Get paid, and the commissions come in. All right. So in future video, I'm gonna show you how to activate these and get them turned on to green, and how to use another company to pay for it. How would you like to earn $100 one-time commissions and $400 one-time commissions by letting your other company and our income stream system pay for it? If you want to know more information, just click the link below. It's going to say automated cash income system, and in there I'm going to show you how to get unlimited $25 payments where you don't have to spend $25 payments. Okay, if you visit this domain name PowerLeadSystemPLS.com, you can get the platform right now. Started for 7-day free trial. Test it out, become an affiliate, and you will have the rights to get the free leads, endless free leads for free, guys. You can see you can prove your automated listing billing by using the PowerLead system and sponsor more new reps in your online business. And we give you a free inside success report that reveals how much money just by sharing the opportunity with PowerLead system. So you can click here into your email and get access for free. Okay, I'm gonna show you easy access how to do that, and also you can check out the new platform of automated cash income system. That's right, I created this platform and this automated cash income system with 5 ways of getting paid, and I use it all by using PowerLead system. That's right. If you was ever to find an easy way to build a money-making system, money-making website that you can clone and copy and give it away to anybody that can have their own copy with all the pages, all the emails, all the videos, everything all set up just by entering a secret code, well, you could have this. You could have this right now, and just by using the PowerLead system, I set it up and it's all done. The automated cash income system was built, and your new push button system spits out unlimited $20 to $100 PayPal payments. Like I said, the first income stream, it pays you out from $20 to $25 payments. And the best part, nobody's spending any money or spending $25 to earn these $20 to $25 payments.